Alright everyone, I don't know if you can see this or not, but the thermostat on the Fahrenheit side says it's about 20 degrees in the building. There's the 2750. I'm gonna take the snowplow off the back of it so I can use it. I'm gonna make a spot in the building down below. I don't know if you can hear or not, but I got the 3020 started. That's warming up. I'm gonna make a spot down below so I can put my square baler in. The old new idea. I didn't get any video of it yesterday, but we tried it out and it actually doesn't work too bad. But as you can see, the 2750 is not plugged in at all. So let's see if the old girl will start. Ever since John Deere has worked on it, it has started easier than before. Let this one sit here and warm up. But ever since John Deere has worked on that tractor, new rings, pistons, sleeves, it starts a lot easier than before. Before it probably wouldn't have started. But now we'll get the next piece of equipment going here. We'll get the skid loader going. This one's a little bit interesting. Sometimes she starts, and sometimes you gotta cycle the glow plugs 3 times. But give her a little throttle, and I didn't know if you could see or saw it or not, but I think it has 7,698 hours or something like that. But yeah, 7692. Gonna die, so we'll just kill it before it dies, and we'll cycle the glow plugs again just to get her going here. There's the oil pressure light. That'll go out once we start cranking again. RPMs for a little while, and we'll let it warm up. But yeah, that's just what's going on here. I'll get, while everything's running, I'll open this door to let some smoke out. But I'm gonna get down below and move a wagon load of beans over, pull the 3020 out, and then put my baler in. Because they're calling for an inch of rain through this week into next week, and then the high 50s. I'm gonna make this video short because I want to go do a little video of the crawler sitting down there. I want to do a little walk around of that. But I apologize for the wind noise, but there's 3020. I'm gonna move this wagon load of beans over. If the camera adjusts, I'm gonna move this wagon over this way, and then jam the back of the baler in there, and hopefully I can put the tractor back in. But we'll see. So thanks for watching, and please comment, rate, and subscribe. Have a good day, guys.